Policing the police, mastering the power dynamics of law enforcement. There's a thin line between protection and control. When you see the police, do you feel secure or do you sense power closing in? To protect and to serve. The motto of the Los Angeles Police Department since 1963, adopted by many other police forces, now feels hollow amidst the flood of scandals exposing violence and racism deeply embedded in these institutions. The police claim to serve you, yet their actions often say otherwise. They pledge to reduce crime and fear, but increasingly, they are the source of that fear. Their loyalty is to the system that empowers them, not to you. But the police don't hold all the power. Understanding their limitations shatters the illusion of their invincibility. Knowledge is your greatest weapon. Law 1. Understand your rights. When the police stop you, it's a confrontation of power. They may question you, but you are not obligated to respond unless there's reasonable suspicion of a crime. They will pressure and manipulate, but their authority only extends as far as your ignorance. Stay calm, stay silent. You are under no obligation to engage unless they can legally detain you. Always film the encounter. Footage is your shield. Law 2. The power of silence. Silence is your strongest defense. On the street, if there is no reasonable suspicion, you owe no answers, no identification, and you are free to leave. Behind the wheel, the law requires some compliance, identification and documents, but your words can be few. Passengers remain outside the law's grasp unless pulled in by suspicion. Law 3. The search is a performance. A search is not an arrest. It's a demonstration of power. But it's also bound by rules. If officers fail to identify themselves, state the reason, or outline the legal grounds for the search, the act becomes unlawful. Your silence and your calm protect you here. The law favors you when they stray outside its lines. Law 4. Know when you are detained. Detainment begins when you are told you cannot leave. The police may try to detain you without reasonable suspicion, but doing so is false imprisonment. They must have legal grounds to hold you. Without them, their actions become unlawful. Remember, power without law is nothing but tyranny. Law 5. Master the interview. The police interview is a trap. They are not there to help you. They are there to prosecute you. In this game, silence is your queen. You can remain silent, and the law protects you from forced confessions. If the silence could harm your defense, submit a written statement. It's better to say nothing than to incriminate yourself under pressure. Law 6. Seek compensation. Police overreach comes with a price. False imprisonment, unlawful searches, and abuse of power are cracks in their armor. You can seek compensation, and often this doesn't require court. Document everything: time, place, witnesses, footage. Your complaint must be calm, professional, and detail every relevant fact. This is how you turn their abuse into your leverage. In a world where those who enforce the law can overstep it, your knowledge is your armor. Know your rights, stand your ground, and remember, true power lies in holding authority accountable. This is how you police the police.